Hey guys, it's JT here. I'm making this video with the title, I Know. There is nothing worse than knowing everything and still losing. I will tell you that I met with someone a couple of days ago and I was sharing with this person, what's worked for me and what's helped me in my career and what's made me successful. And after I would share nugget after nugget after nugget, guess what the response was? If you answered, I know, yes, you are right. After every single nugget I would share with this agent, they would share, I know. And then on top of that, they would say, I know, and I know how to do it. That was freaking infuriating me because yet you've got this person that is losing at business, that is losing at life right now, and he knows what to do. But the biggest problem that I had with this person was that he wasn't doing what he was supposed to be doing. Jim Rohn once said, there's nothing worse than a human being that knows everything, yet does nothing to get themselves out of where they are at. And look, if you're watching this video and you know a person that knows everything and does nothing about it, look, this is your warning. I would suggest to you that you stay away from that person. You keep that person as far away from you. Keep your distance, because I will tell you that is very contagious. I will tell you that will bring you down, will infect your mind, will screw you up. You don't want to have the I know virus, because once you have the I know virus, you're going to get them don't do it cancer. Stay away from the people that know it all and don't do shit about their current circumstances. Guys, I'm sorry, but that infuriated me and I just had to share that with you guys, okay? I hope that you found this of value. If you did, please like this video. If you haven't already, please share this video with one of your fellow entrepreneurs. And last but not least, subscribe to this channel. Guys, it's JT here. Hope you found it of value. Have a great day and let's go out there and let's dominate.